to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops.
Arman, I can't find your request. This is gonna be special. I couldn't go to my house today. I'm stuck at the studio because I had to do this live for y'all.
Yo, Arman! What's up? Finally accept कर लिया तूने.
हाँ, एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि तू बेस्ट है इंस्टाग्राम लाइव पे.
और ये देखो.
Where is the mummy? Mom, we are live. We are live together, contributing to a beautiful cause with the Magic Bus. You have something to say. We are going to dedicate a song to you and all the mothers. आप बोलो कुछ. That is a very beautiful NGO. With this live, we are going to provide to 38,000 families and 1 crore people. So
I'm really touched that you're doing such a good job. Whatever you want me to do, I'll contribute to that.
Just smile and be happy.
Which song are you singing for me?
Now we cannot. That's a surprise now.
Okay.
That is a surprise.
But you know which song.
Of course I know which song. मैं तो बाल सेट करने में बिजी हूँ. हाँ.
एक बार स्केल चेक कर लेते.
किसी रोज बारिश जो आए.
Lovely. It's okay.
सुबह धूप तुमको मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना.
Love you, Mom. Thank you for making us and always breaking us also at the right time.
I feel this is such an emotional song you've sung for all the mothers. Today, I think this song is what every mom would like to tell their child. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, मैं तो हूं ही तुम्हारी में. You know, and हर एक किरणों में, पानी में, सब में देखो कि we are there with you, even when we are not there with you. This is something so special for every mom in this world, every parent. I can say even for fathers. Very nice.
Where is the father?
He's gone with handsome.
Okay. I'm trying. अभी थोड़ा लॉकडाउन सीन्स है तो 7 बजे के बाद इधर से नहीं निकल सकते. So we have to follow rules and promote the right rules. I will see you all tomorrow. Arman, something you want to say about Magic Bus? I want you to know that
I am really happy that Amal has done something amazing with this live. He's helping contribute so much to such a beautiful cause, and I'm so glad that all the Armanians, Armalians, everyone have joined the cause and have donated. Amal, can you tell us the number that has already been donated?
Almost from just our fandom, 3 to 4 lakh rupees has gone. So that is beautiful.
Wow.
And I'm seeing, I have to say, Arman, we've got insane fans. Thank you to all the Armanians, Amalians. So much love. I want you also to give a shout out that even if they contribute 100 rupees, it's going to make such a big difference because we've got so many of them.
I want all of you guys to take an initiative, and even like a rupee counts, like even 1 rupee counts.
Yes.
You know, and right now,
every single one counts.
Right now, we all are so blessed to be at our home and to be able to do what we're doing. And the king has arrived.
That's my dad. Pops, we are together. We have managed to reach out to 38,000 families and 1 crore people with this live. And our fan base itself has almost contributed 3 to 4 lakhs. So it's amazing.
Wow. Superb.
Love you guys. Thank you for being part of the live. I'll be seeing you all soon. Arman, you want to sing one last song with me before we go?
I'm ready. I just feel like कि lag हो रहा है, तो acapella गाना चाहिए, ऐसे ही बिना म्यूजिक के.
हाँ ठीक है, तो let's do. या तो मैं कॉर्ड होल्ड करके रखता हूँ, तू शुरू कर, मैं तेरे बाद गाऊंगा.
हाँ, done.
Let's do नैना.
ठीक है.
What scale you want me to take?
मन मन की सुनता जाए.
क्या बात है.
गा रही मन वालों
मन ही मन में बनाए दुनिया ये एक ख्यालों की. Beautiful. जैसे भी आया थोड़ा क्रैक आया, but it was an amazing moment. Thank you for coming here.
Love you, and lots of love to Magic Bus for doing such an amazing thing, and love you Amal for being part of such an amazing cause. All the Amalians, again a small request to you guys, jitna bhi aap donate kar sako, that will mean a lot to all the people.
Whatever you can donate. Love you guys. Love you, Arman. 3 minutes left. I'm going to give a bye-bye to everyone. I'll call you. Love you, bro.
Love you.
Okay, guys, that was Arman and Mom, and it's a little emotional moment for us. That Mom was really happy. I'm really thankful to Magic Bus for making this happen. That I could sing for my mother, even though I wasn't in front of her. I was almost in front of her. And want to wish all the mummies, the Jhansi ki Ranis, just like my mom, who have fought to take care of their kids, bring them up in the best way possible, make them warriors, take the world head on. So salute to the mothers and to my mother and Arman's mother.